Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute scrunchies. We have a small and a large. For materials, all you're going to need is a hair elastic, your chosen yarn. I am working with Barnett Super Value acrylic, and your yarn hook. So I'll be working with a 6mm because I like the chunky look, but again, that is up to you. And besides that, all you will need is some scissors, and we'll jump right into it. So to start, we are going to be taking our inner color, what this white would be, and I'm working with this blue. We are going to create a slip knot. So I hold the back with my 2 fingers, creating an X. Over in the front, you have the 2, under the first, over the second, grab it, holding the 2 strings and removing the inner fingers, pulling it closed, and you've created a slip knot. So now you're going to be working single crochets through the elastic, like so. Under, over, pull through both. And you're going to work this all the way around. And as you're doing this, you want to push the string tight together. This is what is going to create that ruffle. The tighter you make it, the more ruffly it's going to be. I find if I don't tighten it, it just kind of looks flat. So nice and tight and working all the way around. So as you can see, we are coming up on the end here. We are keeping it nice and tight. I'm going to add a few more. And once we're happy with that, we are just going to slip stitch back into this first one. So we go through, yarn over both. And that is how we're looking. We're now going to chain 2, and we're going to work 2 double crochets into every stitch that we just made. This is going to take some time. Into this first chain right there where we did the 2, we go in, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. Into that same hole, we do it again. Next one, 2. There's 1, 2. Like I said, this could be tedious, so I will come back, but we are just working 2 double crochets every chain all the way around. So here you can see we are coming up on that final chain. 2 double crochets into that last one. If you are making the small scrunchie, you are done with your inner color and you are going to skip to part 3 of this. If you are making the big one, you are now going to slip stitch back into this 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch back into there. Chain 2. And now we are just going to work 1 double crochet into every chain around the whole thing. So including the one that we just put the 2 in right there, we're gonna 1 double crochet. And continue that pattern all the way around. And as we finish this row, we're going to work that last double crochet into this chain right here. And now we are ready to work on our outer row. So now we are going to need to change our color. We are going to stick our hook into the 3rd chain over on this side, like we are about to do a slip stitch, but we're going to put that color to the side. You're going to grab your new color, and for me, this dark blue. I'm just going to hook it on my hook, pull through 1, and pull through 2, and then I just like to tighten both of these strings. Now you are going to chain 1, and we are going to be working single crochets in every stitch, just 1. In this chain, you can see that hole is open where we just put the 2 chains. Right into there, you're gonna go through, yarn over, and pull through both. Next one, through, yarn over, both. Working all the way around once again for the final time. Finishing those last 2. And then you are just going to slip stitch back into that first dark blue chain right here, through there, yarn over both, and we are done. Cut these strings and weave in our ends. You can totally use a sewing needle. I personally just take my hook and weave this in and out a little bit. Sometimes I'll do an extra knot go ahead and do that with our other ones. If there's ever two strings really close together like this, I just tie them together. Makes life easier. And as easy as that, we just finished this cute scrunchie. We love a quick and easy project that is so cute. So thank you guys so much for watching and getting this far in this video. I hope this was informative and you have a fun little craft to make. Happy crafting, and until next time, peace!